Hello, my name is John Zador, and I'm the Chief Revenue Officer here at 888VoIP. Today we're going to be unboxing one of Grandstream's newest releases, the WP822. The WP822 is part of Grandstream's cordless Wi-Fi IP phone family, which also includes the WP820 and the WP810. The WP series is designed to suit a variety of enterprises and applications, including retail, logistics, medical, and security. Really any setting where long talk time and portability is a must. One of the best features of the new WP822 is its larger battery, which includes longer standby and talk time. It comes equipped with up to 8 hours of talk time, an increase from 7.5 from the previous model. As far as standby time, it has increased to 200 hours, increased from 150 hours in its previous model. With HD voice and a configurable push-to-talk button, the WP822 has a great combination of features, mobility, and durability to suit all portable telephony needs. Let's take a look. When you first open the box, you'll find a quick installation guide. You will have your WP822 IP cordless phone, and you'll have a lithium-ion battery. Also, you will have a charging cradle, a power supply, and a belt clip. Let's take a closer look at the handset. As you can see, the handset has a clean, business-like profile. You have your basic call button features, as well as your soft keys. Up here is your LED indicator for calls and a proximity sensor for reduced power consumption. On the side is your volume control and your push-to-talk button. And on the other side is your headset jack. The WP822 has integrated Bluetooth to support wireless headset, but it also has the 3.5mm receiver in case you want a wired headset option. The WP822 has a very easy network setup. What you'll do is you'll go to your settings, you'll go to network, you'll go to Wi-Fi networks, and you'll see it scanning the Wi-Fi networks. You'll choose the network that you would like to connect to, and then what you will do is you will add your password in order to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once you add your password, as you can see, we're connected to the network now and can now place calls. As you can see, the Grandstream WP822 is an easy to deploy and install device and has all the features and functionality you may need for any portable telephony requirements you may have. If you have any questions or have any comments in regards to this device or are interested in learning more about it, please reach out to our sales team at team@888voip.com. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.